Hello folks, Grace here, and thank you for joining me today. It's been a bit, almost a year actually, since I posted anything. This past year has been a bit of a roller coaster. It's been a lot of stuff going on, and I just kind of fell off of crocheting in general. I actually haven't made anything like since my last video. I think I've made one little trinket for a coworker who was leaving. Not a great track record when you're trying to hold yourself accountable to making projects and making videos about them. I definitely failed on that end. But I do plan on coming back soon. Not here though. One of the fun things that happened recently is that my husband and I are in the process now of buying a house, and we would like to get back into making these videos for you guys. So we definitely plan on getting back into it. Things may be a bit different. We're not quite sure what kind of format and what kind of time frames we're going to be working with, but we're going to figure that all out. It'll probably be another couple months before you guys see me again because I'm literally in here to pack this place up. I hope that you guys will join us on this journey, on this next step we're going through, and I would love to take you along. So thank you guys so much for bearing with me. Again, I am sorry for letting the last year slip away from me. I really look forward to showing you guys some more content in whatever form that may be. Thank you guys so much for joining me today. I'm gonna get to work.